we're on the road again. Nothing but the road again.
Well, we are on the road again. But we are heading today from Naizna to Wilderness. Wilderness has mostly like outdoorsy stuff, so we're gonna go canoeing today, hopefully. We haven't actually prearranged this, so we're hoping we get to show up and it work out.
Because we obviously don't want to take an expensive camera, we're gonna have to switch the GoPro. So
That's narrow-minded of you.
narrow-minded. Let's go.
Just forest walk, but it's clear and nice.
Okay. Locked and loaded.
Looking good, huh, bud?
Never actually canoed. I've only kayaked, but I can't imagine there's too big of a difference. Look how brown the water is. Ready?
We're not doing this whole thing where I paddle and then you don't.
I was just relaxing for a minute.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Uh-huh. Have fun. Slow down, you're creating wakes.
I have a need for speed.
Oh, look at that. Someone's paddling and another one's not.
I'm getting footage. What do you think I'm doing?
Not paddling.
I love once more. What are you doing?
It's so cool. Got it. Don't fall.
Yeah, we basically canoed in for like 3 kilometers to get to this trail. And this trail is 2.5 kilometers and it ends at a waterfall.
It's very pretty. So picking up again, thoughts with Humbug about South Africa in general. Everyone has been super nice, very friendly. It reminds me of the US and the fact that people actually acknowledge you and say hi back. They say hi back whenever you say hi. And then that she's me into the second thought with Humbug. Whenever we're driving, I've gotten the hang of it. And you pull over a little bit when you're going slower than someone on a single lane road. They will pass you and then flash their emergency lights to say thank you. And then you just gotta flash your brights in order to say you're welcome. Very polite society. Not like Europe where most people stick to themselves and
Well,
don't
it depends
really.
where you're at in Europe.
Yeah, it depends.
I'm not really sure why I was a part of this.
What's your thoughts, Humbug? Thoughts with Humbugs?
I don't have any thoughts right now.
This trail's not very tall people friendly. I'm constantly having to duck under things. Erica, not so much. Yeah. So we made it, and it's really pretty. It's a nice place to relax, but it's not like the Albanian Alps where the water was like clear and blue. It's a little brown here. It's not that bad, but it's just kind of weird.
There is a whole section that's kind of blocked off. I don't know if it's just right now or just in general, but I saw a girl. Let's not film him changing the door.
Oh, he's changing.
Aaron's about to film him changing.
Who's about to be going on some other platform aside from YouTube?
Let's eat lunch.
After our PBJs and whoops and sunbathing, not to swim, and now we're heading back. It was a pretty hike though. Madame. Dun, 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 dun.
We are casting it back off on the river and we're gonna head to our accommodation. Aaron did almost just kill me as I was trying to get into the boat, so I'm lucky to be alive.
He's so dramatic. You ready, Humbug? Ah!
to this.
Oh, look at this.
I can't even help paddle because he is like actually spasming and putting his entire body into rocking this boat.
So we made it to our place. Had a little difficulty finding it and then getting up to it because it is a little bit of a hike. Erica doesn't tell me much. So I was a little shocked when we actually came here. It's adventurous and luxurious at the same time. Let's go check it out. Now watch your step, Humbun. I know how clumsy you can be. Oh, I gotta go slow-mo, hold on. And here we have our accommodations. Come check it out. We've got relaxing lounge chairs, and they call this glamping. It's more glamp than camp, but check it out. Let's get a full-on view. This is it wide open. You've got an outside lounge area, inside lounge area. Come and check this out, Humbun. Mini serving area, even a fridge and a microwave. A tea kettle for your coffee in the morning.
Thank goodness.
Thank goodness, or else Eric will be grumpy. And look at this plush, soft bed. Oh. And then a full-on bathroom. I don't think you even checked this one out.
I haven't seen it.
Look at it. Here, I'll go in the shower for you. And the reason there's a net right there is because your shower goes into nature. Can you believe that? That's crazy.
Full bathroom.
Full bathroom. Dang, this is on point. Good job, Humbun.
Yeah, look at the ceiling.
That's fine. See through.
I know.
Oh, I wonder if we get monkeys up here.
Yeah, they said we do.
Oh, what if I'm on the toilet pooping and a monkey comes in? That would be weird. All right, well, I think we're gonna relax. We're gonna go get some to-go pizza for dinner. We've got a full day tomorrow.
Stop, Humbun.
That's what you do.
Humbun. We
Yeah.
don't need a video of this.
Where my travels make me.
It's a thing. Kinsey knows. Tell her.
It's a thing you made up. My travels make me.
It's a thing.
TSP.
What pizza do you think you're gonna get?
I want the one with the ranch sauce.
That does sound good. Jalapenos would be really good though with the ranch sauce. This morning we are headed to the Wild Oats Farmers Market. It's actually only open on Saturdays in the morning, but there's supposedly delicious food, so let's go find it.
Gotta go open the gate.
Why don't you go open your own gate?
I'm the driver. I can't do it. The benefit of being the driver, she's gotta go open the gate for me. She does such a good job. You do such a good job. Apparently, this is the hopping place to be.
I know, everyone's here.
Yeah. It's a huge parking lot, a lot of people, and of course we're going straight for the food.
Where else do we go?
Where else? Say it again. For the grams, that was priceless.
I smell pickles.
She literally comes to a complete halt and says, "Wait, I smell pickles." She starts sniffing like a dog.
We want, some people like the lacto one. It's kind of like the light. Look at this one.
So we've got our first piece of food. It is a hot pie. And I've decided that we're gonna go broke here because I literally want everything.
Well, luckily they're only open for another hour and a half, so.
Oh, we gotta hurry.
So this is the bolognese and cream cheese. Oh, it's good.
Let's check it out.
I think it's just ground beef, and then there's tomato sauce and cream cheese.
Oh. Do I get any?
I knew you wanted a milkshake, so I
Oh,
got
you got me a milkshake?
We made our rounds, and we decided on a few things. We got a milkshake. I knew Aaron wanted it, so we got a caramel one. We got a German hot dog. Yes, we are going to Germany in a few weeks, but here we are.
See how it compares.
We'll see. And we got a toasty, which I think just has like cheese, pickles, and some sauces. I don't know, it all looks good though.
Mustard, aioli.
Oh, hot. Hot. It's good with the mustard though.
Feed me, Haman. Feed me.
This is weird. Caramelized onion.
Muy bueno. I'm gonna give you a breakdown of this toasty. It's actually essentially a fancy grilled cheese. It's got double cheese, 2 different kinds of cheeses. I don't know which. Essentially ham. They call it gammon, I think. Roasted tomatoes, mustard, and aioli. Or pickle.
I got some of the pickle in my bite.
Is that the pickle you smelled earlier?
I don't know what I smelled. I didn't find pickles.
So, Erica said there is a bite right here with pickles on it, and she said, do not bite it or she's going to kill me.
You better get that out of your mouth right this minute. I don't even like pickles.
She's going to kill me one of these days. If I disappear on this vlog, everybody's going to know who done it. This one. I know Erica got us a shake, but we're going to finish strong with some dessert.
That sign said no smoking, no dogs, but I read it as no smoking on dogs, and I was a little confused, but it didn't, so. And we landed on a lemon meringue mousse cake.
It's so sad when they used to be a family.
Oh, now hold it up to your face.
Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that, but that makes it so much better.
What does?
Look at it.
Oh, is it filled?
Yeah, it has like custard in it. I love lemon meringue. I think with lemon meringue, or like lemon bars or whatever, it's like tart, but it's sweet. It's just like a perfect dessert.
And this is about the time the depression sets in, because it's gone.
This one's actually really good. Like it had the cake with the lemon, with the meringue. So good.
I don't want to draw.
How do you know?
If we have time, we're gonna go check out the art and craft market, and then we're gonna go drive back into town and see some more stuff. Uh-huh.
Another thing you can do on the garden route is stop by the map of Africa. Really, it's just kind of the terrain looking like the entirety of Africa.
Someone else also says that it looks like a crocodile with an afro, which I can see that.
I can see that. If you have money, you can also do paragliding, but then you can just walk over and look at this beautiful view. And that beautiful view.
It's actually really cool because you can just see the road if you pay attention, like that cuts between the ocean and the lake/river that we were on yesterday.
Now we're on the beach we just saw. It's like we teleported there. Wah, wah, la, 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 la.
We did have quite a unique experience getting onto the beach. They like inspect your bags, which is fine, but they opened our water bottle to make sure it was actually water.
They smelled it.
Yeah, they smelled our water bottle to make sure it was water.
Which is weird, but yep, another thing you can do in the wilderness on the garden route.
In the wilderness?
Yeah, this is the wilderness. Yeah, but in the wilderness town on the garden route. Ignore Erica and her sassiness. But I think we're going to close that here. That's going to be wilderness slash our seals experience. And then we're going to pick up with probably more beaches tomorrow. Another exciting accommodation.
We actually planned our entire itinerary around tomorrow night's stay, so.
We'll see you on to the next one.
We'll see you.
We'll see you on the next one.